Recording with your phone can be tricky when shaky movements ruin the smoothness of your video. Those little vibrations often make your shots look less professional, but with the right gear, you can capture much steadier and more polished footage without making things complicated. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best smartphone gimbals available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these gimbals, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the AOCHUAN Smart M1 Pro B gimbal, a great choice for anyone who wants smooth and steady videos without the hassle. One of its most impressive features is the artificial intelligence vision sensor, which automatically detects and follows your subject. The best part is that you do not need to install any extra apps to make it work. This keeps your subject perfectly centered, making it ideal for dynamic shots where you do not want to worry about manual adjustments. The gimbal offers excellent stability with its single-axis system, reducing shakes and sudden movements. This means you can capture fluid shots in both horizontal and vertical formats, giving your videos a much more professional look. On top of that, its lightweight and compact design makes it super easy to carry, which is perfect for creators who are always on the move or anyone looking for that cinematic touch. Another highlight is its smooth 360-degree rotation, opening up more creative possibilities. You can shoot panoramic views, action sequences, or quickly switch between horizontal and vertical orientation. This adds more freedom to experiment with different camera angles and styles. What really makes this device stand out is its 4-in-1 versatile design. It works as a gimbal stabilizer, an extendable selfie stick, a desktop stand, and a tripod. Having all of these in a single device makes it very practical for both photos and videos. The extendable selfie stick reaches up to 34 inches, making it easy to take group photos or selfies from better perspectives without needing extra accessories. It extends smoothly and lets you adjust the angle or height in seconds. It also supports magnetic fill lights that attach easily to improve lighting. With different brightness levels, you can capture clear and vibrant images even in low-light situations. Bringing together portability, smart features, and a multifunctional design, the gimbal is a complete tool for any content creator ready to take their videos to the next level. Next up, we have the ZHIYUN gimbal, a model built for anyone who wants to achieve almost professional quality recordings right from their smartphone. One of its biggest advantages is the artificial intelligence tracking module, which reacts quickly and keeps focus even in bright lighting conditions. If your subject moves out of frame, the system is smart enough to find and lock onto them again without any issues. The design is also worth mentioning. It has a sleek and durable look, with a semi-transparent arm made from high-quality materials and a smooth finish that feels premium. The handle is coated with anti-slip silicone, making it comfortable to hold even during long filming sessions. Thanks to its 3-axis construction, this gimbal gives you complete freedom of movement, allowing you to create eye-catching effects like full 360-degree tilt rotations. It can support up to 300 grams, which makes it compatible with most smartphones, even the larger and heavier ones. To deliver even greater precision, it uses an advanced stabilization algorithm combined with a high-performance motor that provides stronger movement control. This results in smooth, steady shots that look very similar to what you would get from a professional camera, making it a reliable option for demanding video projects. Another highlight is the built-in fill light located on the arm, which reaches up to 680 lux. This feature ensures proper illumination in darker environments, giving your videos a more polished and cinematic look. The ventilation system keeps the light running steadily for long periods, so you do not have to worry about overheating during extended use. With its premium design, powerful stabilization, and smart features, the gimbal is a fantastic tool for content creators who want to take their smartphone videos to a higher level of quality. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the HOHEM ISTEADY X3 SE gimbal, a tool designed for anyone who wants smoother and more professional-looking videos without the hassle. One of its biggest strengths is the detachable remote control, which works from up to 33 feet away. This makes it super convenient for taking selfies or recording solo clips without even touching your phone, especially during trips or family gatherings. It comes with iSteady 8.0 technology on 3 axes, giving you ultra-smooth footage even when running, jumping, or capturing action-packed moments. That makes it a great companion for sports, outdoor adventures, or any scene full of movement where shaky hands usually ruin the shot. Despite its power, it is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 11 ounces, and folds down compactly so it fits easily in a backpack or even in your pocket. Another strong point is its integration with the HOHEM Joy app, which unlocks a wide range of creative features. Through the app, you can use AI tracking modes, gesture controls, and built-in templates to add a more dynamic style to your videos. This is perfect for anyone creating content for social media or YouTube, since it helps improve video quality without spending hours editing afterward. Battery life is also impressive, delivering up to 11 hours of continuous use with just 2 hours of charging time. That means you can record an entire day without worrying about running out of power. On top of that, it can handle phones up to 300 grams, making it compatible with larger devices like the latest iPhones or other big-screen smartphones. Switching quickly between horizontal and vertical modes adds even more flexibility, whether you are recording for TikTok, Instagram, or traditional wide-format videos. With its portability, advanced functions, and ease of use, the gimbal is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced creators who want to take their videos to the next level. Now let's move on to the AOCHUAN 3-axis gimbal, a device made for people who want to record with their phone without worrying about shaky movements or blurry shots. One of its best qualities is its universal compatibility, working with most Android phones and iPhones up to 7 inches, making it versatile for many different models. A key highlight is the Anti-Shake 8.0 technology, which delivers smooth and stable video even while walking or moving around. This ensures that both photos and clips look professional, without the distracting vibrations that can ruin a shot. It also comes with a focus wheel and zoom control, letting you make real-time adjustments with precision and ease. The gimbal also includes smart tracking and gesture control, a very practical feature that can recognize faces, bodies, objects, and even live streams. This means your subject stays perfectly centered without needing extra adjustments, which is perfect for people who want to record without interruptions. Another great feature is the magnetic RGB fill light, which offers 7 different colors and 3 brightness levels. It is lightweight, compact, and powered by a built-in battery, giving you the right lighting for different situations without needing extra gear. When it comes to battery life, it is equipped with a 2,600 milliamp battery, providing more than 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It recharges in about 3.5 hours, so it is always ready when you need it. Despite its power, this gimbal is lightweight and foldable, weighing just 11.4 ounces. It supports phones up to 8 ounces, making it a reliable companion for content creators who want portability without sacrificing quality. With its mix of advanced technology, convenience, and long-lasting performance, the gimbal is a complete solution for anyone who wants to capture professional-looking videos right from their smartphone. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the JCROBOT L7C Pro Gimbal, a 3-axis stabilizer designed to turn shaky recordings into smooth, cinematic videos. This technology removes sudden movements and gives your footage a professional flow, whether you are filming a family vacation, a wedding, or even fast-paced action scenes. What makes it even more interesting is that it comes with a very easy-to-use app, giving you quick access to creative features with just one tap. Modes like Inception, Dolly Zoom, Motion Time-Lapse, and Panoramic Shots open the door to experimenting with different styles and angles. It also includes a status panel that shows battery life, system information, and the active shooting mode. Plus, the M button lets you switch between 4 different camera movement settings with ease. Another highlight is its smart tracking powered by artificial intelligence, which keeps your subject in perfect focus through facial recognition. On top of that, it has gesture control, allowing you to snap a photo or start recording with a simple hand signal. This is especially helpful for solo creators who need to film without depending on someone else. When it comes to power, its fast charging system gets it ready in just 80 minutes. And if needed, you can keep it charging while in use, so you never miss an important moment during a trip or a long shoot. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it very easy to carry. It weighs only 12.5 ounces and measures about 6 inches when folded, meaning you can slip it into a bag or even a pocket without hassle. By combining portability, professional-level stabilization, and advanced creative features, the gimbal is a complete tool for anyone who wants to take their smartphone videos to the next level. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect smartphone gimbal, or if there's another smartphone gimbal you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.